When I left you last time, I was preparing for the crossover to Bay Mysingen. It's still 7 hours of daylight left, and tomorrow the wind will increase and make it more difficult. So I decided to do the crossing straight away. From an elevated position, the conditions looks fine. I put on a dry suit and I'm ready for crossing the open water. The only island on my course is Mysingen, straight ahead. The wind has moved even more towards south, and I will not be able to make it over to the island Utö in the southeast without a lot of tacking. Thus, I decided to stay close haul on a south-southeast course, heading straight for Nynäshamn. When reaching Mysingen, the wind settles a bit, and I feel a bit more comfortable, and I can hoist the head sail. There is no return now. Utö is also out of reach. South side of Mysingen, it starts to feel really cozy, and I start looking for somewhere to land for the night. The weather forecast for tomorrow is saying northeasterly wind, so I seek a small bay facing southwest. Just south of Mysingen marine base I find 3 small islands, archipelago, with almost perfect conditions. Protected from winds except from northwest. I'm woken by northwesterly waves. get into the boat without dragging too much seaweed, I managed to break the support for the port bench. That's a project for another video. It is a quite strong wind from north this morning, and I start with the reefed main. Wind speed is changing all times, and sometimes I need more sail area. With the head sail and mizzen, I can make good speed at the low wind without being overpowered at high wind, when I can get it to obey. Now I can see Nynäshamn. Luckily I can do most sailing from the starboard side and do not need to spend time on the floor. Just as I reach Nynäshamn, the clouds are dismissed. Waiting for my ride, I take a tour through the shallow canal under the bridges. I find a nice spot on Dalarö and cook some lunch. Nynäshamn is a great place to finish, and now my ride is here, so I better make it to the uptake.